Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to a world of traditional banking, filled with hidden fees and endless paperwork. The other path leads to a modern, digital-first banking experience, offering convenience, flexibility, and a whole lot of perks. Hook. But here's the question, can you really trust a digital bank with your hard-earned money? Building context. For those who might be new to the world of digital banking, Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that has gained a massive following for its innovative approach to personal finance. One of the most frequently asked questions about Monzo is, what banks does it support? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Monzo's banking partnerships and explore how they can benefit you. Understanding Monzo's partnerships. While Monzo doesn't have its own physical branches, it partners with traditional banks to provide essential banking services. These partnerships allow Monzo to offer features like ATM withdrawals, cash deposits, and international payments. Key partnerships and their benefits. Link and ATM access. Monzo allows you to link your account to other banks, making it easy to transfer money between accounts. You can also use Monzo's fee-free ATM network, which includes thousands of ATMs worldwide. International payments. Monzo offers competitive exchange rates and low fees for international payments, making it a great choice for travelers or those who frequently send money abroad. Open banking. Monzo is a strong advocate for open banking, which allows customers to share their financial data securely with third-party apps. This opens up a world of possibilities, from budgeting tools to investment platforms. Future partnerships. Monzo is constantly expanding its partnerships to provide even more value to its customers. Keep an eye on their website and social media for updates on new collaborations. Addressing common concerns. Security. Monzo takes security very seriously. Your money is protected by advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and fraud monitoring. Customer service. Monzo's customer support team is known for its excellent service. You can contact them through their app or website. Accessibility. While Monzo doesn't have physical branches, its app and online platform make it easy to manage your finances from anywhere. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, what banks are supported by Monzo? The answer is many. Monzo's partnerships allow it to offer a wide range of banking services, making it a convenient and affordable option for people around the world. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a budget-conscious individual, or simply looking for a more modern banking experience, Monzo's partnerships can provide the flexibility and convenience you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.